I heard your name today in a crowded room, and suddenly my heart forgot what it was supposed to do. Everybody else just carried on, but for me, the world was gone. I thought time would make it easier, that's what everyone keeps saying. But every little thing reminds me of the love I'm still chasing. I hide the pain behind a smile, but deep inside I'm still in denial. Your name still hurts, like a wound that never healed, like a fire in my chest. No matter how much time has passed, your name still hurts, like the day you said goodbye. I can laugh, I can't pretend, but your name still hurts tonight. I deleted all our pictures from my phone, but somehow you're still everywhere I go. In every song, every street, every dream, nothing is as easy as it seems. I wish I could erase the past, but some memories were built to last. Your name still hurts, like a wound that never healed, like a fire in my chest. No matter how much time has passed, your name still hurts, like the day you said goodbye. I can laugh, I can't pretend, but your name still hurts tonight. Maybe you're happy with someone new, maybe you've forgotten me too, but every time I hear your name, the pain comes back the same. Your name still hurts, even when I try to move on, even when the world keeps turning, my heart is still holding on. Your name still hurts, and I don't know if it ever won't. Some people leave your life, but never leave your soul. I still remember the rain that night, the way you looked but couldn't meet my eyes. One suitcase by the door, one tear on your face, and then you turned around and walked away. I thought you'd come back before the morning light. I stayed awake, hoping I was right, but the sun came up on an empty room, and silence filled the space you used to move. I kept your picture by my bed, holding on to words we never said. The night you walked away, you took a part of me I can't replace. Now every road leads back to yesterday, and every memory still Your coffee cup is still upon the shelf. I guess I never learned to help myself. I keep replaying every last goodbye, searching for a reason, asking why. If love was meant to fade with time, why are you still crossing my mind? The night you walked away, you took a part of me I can't replace. Now every road leads back to yesterday, and every memory still knows your name. Maybe someday I'll find the strength to let go of what remains, but tonight I'm still standing here, lost inside the rain. The night you walked away, my world stopped turning for a while that day. Though life goes on, my heart remains stuck in the night you walked away. Oh, the night you walked away. Your favorite song came on tonight, and suddenly you were here by my side. I closed my eyes and saw your smile for a little while. Then the music faded away, but the pain decided to stay. Now every melody feels like yesterday. I still know every word you'd sing, every laugh, every little thing. The way you'd pull me close and say, don't let this moment fade away. But moments don't listen to hearts, they leave us standing in the dark, holding shadows of what used to be. Just you and me. Everyone says that time moves on, so why does it feel like you're not gone? I'm dancing with your memory, spinning through the nights you left with me. Your ghost is moving to the beat, while I'm standing on broken dreams. I'm dancing with your memory, trying to find who I used to be. The music ends, but you're still here, dancing with me through the tears. The photographs are fading now, but somehow I still feel you around. In empty rooms and sleepless nights, in every star and city light. If I could have one final dance, I'd hold you close and take the chance to tell you all the things I never said before you became a memory instead. I'm dancing with your memory, part of me, still where we used to be, still dancing with your memory. Porch light's still on after all this time, like my heart still believes you'll change your mind. Every car that passes makes me look outside, even though I know you're not arriving tonight. But if you ever come back, you'll find me here. I never packed away your things the right way you left them. Your sweater hangs beside the door, like you're coming home again. Everyone tells me to move on, to let the past stay in the past, but they never felt a love so strong, or a goodbye that happened so fast. I've learned to live without your touch, but missing you never got easier. If you ever come back, you'll find my heart exactly where you left it, broken but beaten, holding on to every promise. If you ever come back, I'll be standing where we said forever, through every storm, through every season. I've never stopped believing. The years have changed the world around me, but some things never change. You're still the first thought in the morning, and the last one when it rains. I tried to love somebody else, I tried to let your memory fade, but every road I take somehow leads me back to yesterday. Maybe it's foolish to keep this hope alive, maybe I'm chasing a dream that won't survive. But if fate gives us one more chance, I'll be ready. If you ever come back, you'll find the light still shining through the dark. A part of me never left the start. It's been waiting for your heart. If you ever come back, I won't need a reason why. Just one look into your eyes, and I'll know I survived, because I never stopped loving you. Never stop loving you.